Today's featured car of the day is a 1960 Buick LeSabre. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated 1960 Buick LeSabre Bubbletop, frame up build completed in 2019, straight body, no rust repair needed, bright and beautiful white pearl paint, complete custom interior down to padded dash and wrapped steering wheel, original air conditioning car with complete updated vintage air system, all bright work re-chromed and stainless steel worked and polished, original 364 nail head engine with 4-barrel carburetor, new exhaust, window rubber and seals with new felt, new door trunk weather stripping and seals. And it sold for $34,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a neat looking car with the pearl paint and the bigger tires and wheels. Definitely gave it a different look, that's for sure. And 1960 was the last year of the first generation of the LeSabres, which went from 59 to 60. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1960 Buick LeSabre Bubbletop with a frame-up build completed in 2019, straight body and custom paint and new wheels and tires and quite a few other new items on it. And it sold for $34,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.